We are RAKK. We believe in empowering Filipinos to enhance and reinvent the gaming world. We know a thing or two about playing video games and making hardware that caters to every type of gamer out there. This is the RAKK ILIS. The ILIS is a unique RGB mechanical keyboard that's all about adaptability and uncompromising performance that stands out. The game changes rapidly in the modern world, so we created a board that is only truly limited by your imagination. The ILIS features a white removable, customizable magnetic cover that easily attaches to the body of the keyboard. Think of it as a blank canvas. The magnetic cover can be modded in any way, shape, or form, without voiding warranty. We encourage you to express yourself as a gamer. The keyboard's unprecedented aesthetic versatility enables it to fit your setup, taste, and lifestyle. You can choose between modular Utemu switches or Gateron yellow switches. The ILIS is fully supported by RAKK Fine-Tuner software that allows you to control the lighting capabilities of the board. The hybrid layout 96-key board is also built to be portable. The compact form factor is perfect for gamers on the go. You can easily take it with you wherever you game or wherever you work. You can shift between numpad mode for maximum productivity at work or TKL mode for gaming. It also has top-grade ABS double-shot keycaps, a keycap puller holder underneath, and a hefty metal body that is synonymous with high build quality. Through community feedback and dreaming up a keyboard that we would want to use ourselves, this device was conceived. This is the RAKK ILIS Premium Mechanical Keyboard.